Hello guys, this is Pavel Oskorov from Laravel Daily Team, and today I have a quick package review for you. Package called Laravel Early Access, which transforms your Laravel project into a homepage like this. So instead of having a homepage, you have early access page with ability for people to subscribe to be informed when your project is actually launched. And the only route that is accessible is login. So for someone who has access, who has invitation or information for login and password, they can log in. Otherwise, they can only subscribe and enter their email. And usage is pretty simple. Installation is composer require, then some configuration. Then you have to add middleware in your web routes, in your web middleware kernel in this file. Then some configuration, which is all optional. Migrate the database, which I've already done that, and it creates that database table for subscriptions for those who will enter those emails. Then you publish the assets to be able to customize the design of that homepage, and some more configuration, and then all you need to do to activate that is to launch that command: artisan early access activate. Early access activated, and here I am in my new fresh Laravel 5.7 homepage. And now if I refresh that, enter, we land on early access page, which is exactly as the package wants. Login works. Actually, it doesn't work because yeah, you should configure that to work. But anyway, let's try it out. I enter my email. I've configured that email already to be tied to Mailtrap, so I'll show you the email. Thanks for subscribing. We will be in touch. If we look into the database now, refresh the database, here I am, email. Maybe you can enter email, enter name, so you can customize that form, verify that, and delete that. There's no admin panel to verify or to enter name or anything. So you should build that yourself, I assume, according to the package. And then if we look into our mail trap, here's how the email looks like. Hello, just thanks for early access, share on Twitter. For Twitter, I don't really understand, to be honest, the logic. So because if you click share on Twitter, it doesn't actually work. It redirects to early access. But in the configuration, in the information for the package, it's early access to our handle. Let me find it. Yeah, these are the options. This is used when sending subscription confirmation via email. So I don't really understand who would share on Twitter that they registered for early access and use your Twitter handle. It's pretty weird. And then final thing, well, not final, there are quite a few options. You can check them out, but interesting one is service. So service, you can create your own service, subscription service driver, which is currently called database, but you can implement something when add, remove, or verify, or find by email. All of those methods, you just should implement subscription provider. For example, you can create MailChimp service, for example. So adding here, add would add the email to your MailChimp list. And then verify should not only verify the email, but also send the email or something like that. Yeah, so this is a quick demo of a package called Laravel Early Access. URL is in the video, so you can check that out. It's not that popular, it's pretty fresh, 2 months ago and 115 stars, but I thought it was pretty useful and really easy to implement in your Laravel projects before you actually launch.